Welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace and remove air cabin filter. First thing that you're going to do, open your glove compartment. You're going to remove everything that's inside there. After you remove everything, you want to release this little ears. It's gonna be there. You just press it like that with your fingers. Just want to squeeze these little ears there, like that, and you're gonna start removing there. Now you wanna press in the middle there, like this, to bring that ear down. You're gonna do the same for the other side, like this, and the glove compartments will release there.
And don't forget to locate that upside, the arrow that says up. That's a filter housing cover, and there's the air cabin filter, and it looks filthy. And that's how you get it sick. You have to replace this filter often. 10,000 miles is best.
This is the arrow that he was talking about. You can match it up with the old one. Make sure it's saying up. The arrow is going up. In this case, like that.
Filter slides right in. And don't forget to put the cover back up, and it should click right in. After that, you push the glove box up and you will hear those clicks, and you put the little bungee thing back together, and then you can put all the stuff back. And that's how you do air cabin filter on
2016 Toyota RAV4. Bada bing, bada boom.